Somebody opened my package, y'all. Anybody watching this video ever get upset when somebody else opens one of your packages? Like, regardless of what it is, if somebody opens your package, do you feel some type of way about that? Because I really feel some type of way when people open my packages. Like, don't open my package. What's up, YouTube? I am back again with another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, I am back with a Amazon haul. So I decided that I wanted to try and stock up on a few things from Amazon, household supplies, and a few other things, maybe like some snacks, mostly like household supplies, cleaning supplies, stuff like that. But before we get into the haul, I wanted to make sure I tell everybody to subscribe to this channel. I am going to be posting videos as they come. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It is free. I have lots of things to share. At least I think I have lots of things to share, talk about, discuss, and things like that. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's free. Also, please feel free to like the video. That is also free. Let's support one another. If you are a small YouTuber, brand new, starting off, or even if you are not a small YouTuber, please leave me a comment down below if you would like to support each other. All I ask is that you subscribe to my channel, and then in return, I will subscribe to your channel. I think if we all supported one another, the world would be a better place. How about that? So let's everybody just support, and go ahead and subscribe to the video and like the video. Subscribe to the channel and like the channel. Subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. Thank you. I'm gonna get that right. I promise you. Okay, guys. So here we go. So I have everything sitting on my recliner chair. The first one I'm gonna open. Somebody opened my package, y'all. Anybody watching this video ever get upset when somebody else opens one of your packages? Like, regardless of what it is, if somebody opens your package, do you feel some type of way about that? Because I really feel some type of way when people open my packages. Like, don't open my package. I want to get the joy. Like, when I online shop, I get joy, pure joy out of opening my packages. So please just let people open their own packages. Just let people open their own packages, and everything will be good. Everything will be good. Let people open their own packages. Anyway, so two things of paper towels, as you guys can see when I was opening the boxes. Bounty 6=12 doubles. I got two things of this Lysol toilet bowl clean. If you have like tough stains in your toilet, this is really good. The 10 times clean one. This one works better than the regular kind. So if you have trouble cleaning out a toilet in your house, try this. Like if you have hard stains in your toilet bowl, try this because it works. This works really good. It removes tough stains. I love Dawn. I've been using a big tub of, I don't know, it's green, but I don't like it, but I got a big tub of it for free. So I've been using that and I'm not a fan of it. So I'm running out of that. So I went ahead and got some Dawn. I thought these were bigger. I'm not gonna lie, I thought these were bigger, but I mean, it's Dawn, so I'm sure it'll last me 3-4 months maybe. I got these wipes because supposedly these are supposed to clean stainless steel as well as wood and some other things. I don't know how true that is. I don't really see that on the package. Now that I have it here in front of me, I know that it said that online, so I'm gonna see. Yeah, it actually does say it. It says it works on sealed wood furniture, sealed leather, granite, stainless steel, laminate, and quartz. I don't know what quartz is. So anyway, I'm gonna give those a try. Black bags, and I got freezer storage bags. These are just for kids, for the kids to put their snacks in for schools. And then these, I got freezer storage 2-in-1 storage bags, but I thought these were gonna be larger. I don't know, actually they say quart and I needed gallon. I gotta read better. I gotta read because I didn't mean to order this, but I have them and I will use them. Use these for the bathtubs. So I got sponges, garbage bags, we're running low. I've been buying them from Walmart for like $2 a box, just the small generic kind. But these smell really good, and there's 80 in here. Nivea. And then I got this Scrub and Bubbles. This works really well in the bathroom. This is actually a new version of it that I'm trying. This Mega Shower Foamer. I usually just get the regular Scrubbing Bubbles. I don't like bathroom buildup, so I got this and I'm trying this. And then I just got a few snacks. So I got granola bars. This is a 18-count box. I got Nutri-Grain bars, 16 in the pack. I got these because they don't sell these in stores by me. I have not seen this mixed Rice Krispie treat, and I actually want to just try the chocolate one. I shouldn't be eating this, it's for kids, but I am gonna try that chocolate one in there. But it's a variety pack, and I saw that and I was like, I want to try that, so I got it. And just a variety pack of Pop-Tarts, 12 in a pack. And then that's pretty much it. So that's it. That's my haul, everybody. Thank you for watching. Once again, I'd like for you to go and watch my previous videos. We have the Dairy Queen taste test video that I will upload before this. We have my psoriasis video. My psoriasis is hanging in there. I got a lot of gray. My bald spots are gone, so that's a plus. Yeah, so other than that, you can go watch the previous videos. I have more videos coming, so please, once again, it's free. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please stay tuned for more. Please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys next video.